everyone. So I made these delicious pancakes and they're really easy. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, and they're made with only a couple of ingredients. So if you want to see, then keep watching. This is what you need to make really fast, easy, quick, vegan and gluten-free pancakes. You need some maple syrup, some salt, plant milk, I'm using coconut, old-fashioned oats or any other type of oats, a banana, ripe banana, a little bit of cinnamon, and a blender. If you want to use these type of oats, the steel cut type, it works just as well. It's gonna be a lot thicker and heavier, but it's really good. And then you know what, if you don't have regular oats at home, you can use these. And sometimes I put in the pumpkin pie spice, just to give it a little bit more spicier taste to it, and it's also really good. For this, you're doing 1 cup of oats. You're doing about a little bit more than half a cup of your plant milk. You're adding 1 whole banana in there. Just some shakes of cinnamon. You're adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add the rest off camera. You're gonna add however much of the salt that you want. I already put it in there because I had to use 2 hands. If you'd like, this is a teaspoon of baking powder. And then after you're done, you're just gonna start blending all the ingredients. I like to use high. And then it's pretty much done when everything's nice and dissolved and the mix is smooth. So here's the first batch right now. It's cooking really nicely. Pancake flips on camera. Oh, maybe not. Well, I can't see. Yes. Pancake flips on camera. Ooh, yes. That's beautiful. Pancake flips. Oh, maybe not. There you go, baby. Perfect. Okay, so the pancakes are still cooking. I've only turned them over once. I like when they're a little bit more well, and then I'll add the other ones and continue the process and show you how they look when they're done. These pancakes are so easy to make. All you need are just a couple of ingredients and you've got great, easy pancakes that are vegan and gluten-free. Try it.